Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good to be here again. Thank you.
Absolutely. Today we have a few questions. First one is a Facebook question, and I'll go ahead and read it. Hi, Gary. My friend was injured in a car accident. She asked if I thought she needed a lawyer, but honestly, I don't know what to tell her. Why do people need lawyers after a car accident?
Good question. Yeah. Don't ask a shoemaker if you need shoes, though, right? So, but you know, seriously, there's several reasons. Some people hire us because they just don't want to deal with it. You know, they don't want to deal with the adjuster. They don't want to deal with the whole thing. They want some advice. I promise people we don't do it to make it cumbersome to them, and we do have a way to get it done and get things resolved. And I know we pay for ourselves. The statistics show that that you're going to get a better result with a lawyer. Now, the other reason to hire a lawyer maybe is to know what your options are, or at least talk to a lawyer. It doesn't cost anything to talk to a lawyer about your options, and you may learn things. You know, the insurance company's not going to tell you about all the coverage they have or the different kinds of coverage there may be. They're not going to tell you about how aggravating facts might impact the value of a case or what's involved in the case. They don't, you know, that's not in their best interest, and they don't really talk about that a lot. So the truth is, you have the option for free consultations with people. You know, we're happy to talk to you. There's no obligation, and talk about what your options are. And if you don't need a lawyer, we'll tell you, look, I don't think I'm going to add much to this, but there are times I think that we can help.
Exactly.
You know.
Oh, very good. Well, our next question is an email question. This is, we'll go ahead and read it. I need to know how I can recover my financial loss of my vehicle, even if they paid the value of the vehicle off, and I had to go in debt basically to buy another vehicle, and I did have a minor injury. Very interesting.
Yeah. Well, let's deal with the property damage, because this comes up every day in my practice, and it is this. They owe the fair market value of your vehicle. They don't owe what you owe on the vehicle. So if you've gotten, you know, people get loans on their vehicles, secondary loans, or some of these auto loans are set up in such a way you don't pay anything down on them for years. Be careful about that too. But they owe the fair market value, not what it takes to get you in another vehicle. So it's sometimes difficult to make that balance, because you put down some money and now you've out everything because you're upside down on it. It's difficult, but we help people. There's ways to get around that too, and if you got a question about that, we'll be happy to talk to you about it. It's sometimes there's ways that to force their hand to do the right thing.
Yeah. Two very good questions today. Please email them, Facebook, send them in. We'd love to answer them every single week. Thank you so much, Gary, and we'll see you on the very next Legal Break.